All right, what's going on out there, everybody? Rooster here in Tennessee, roostercb.com, and this is going to be our let's take a look detailed video at a Connex CX46 Turbo N1. That's a mouthful there. But I actually just sold one of these, so this will be the radio that the customer actually gets. And I think I have one more of these in stock right now. So I don't know how I overlooked doing a detailed video on one of these in the past. But I guess I just never got around to it. So we're going to take a look at it here as we always do. Check out some of the features. Pretty much what you expect out of a Connex radio. It's kind of like a 3300 HP. It's different on the inside. But instead of a high, medium, and low, or a high and low, you've got your variable power here. So that's something that people like a lot. And, of course, I think all the Connexes now have the 10K hop on it. But have that feature as well. Amp section on the bottom of it, there is no on and off switch for the amp section, so this radio is going to be a turbo radio all the time. Blue channel selector, blue channel lights come in it here. Let's reposition our camera here so we can get a good look at the front of it. Again, we'll just go over the features real quick. AM, FM only radio, AM, FM, and PA if you do end up using a PA on this. Noise blanker, A&L. Show you that it does receive. It has a very quiet receive on it. All these new Connexes, very improved receive. Here you guys go. 10K hop, obviously you guys know what that is, your split channels for your channels that applies to. If it's not a channel that you can go in between, it just hops you up basically one channel. Talk back, probably want to turn our mic gain down for that. We're just running a Superstar mic on it. It comes with a Ranger 158, which is a pretty loud mic, but for me, they're a little bit tinny, kind of high-pitched. If you have a really bassy voice, they'll probably work a little better for you. My voice is kind of somewhere in between, so they bring out a little bit too many highs for me. I sound like a little bit nasally through them, but they're a really loud mic, so I believe that's what it comes with, a Ranger 158. I recommend, of course, Superstar 507, CM4, or an Extreme 2018. Those are my mics of choice. But show you talkback works here.
Hello, audio. On, two. Audio.
We're getting a little bit of a feedback. That's normal. Our mic gain up a little bit. We can turn that off. You guys could probably hear the echo. We can go ahead and turn the echo off. Band selector, if you like to roam around different channels. Your variable power, basically for your dead key adjustment. Your average power will come down with it some when you back the dead key down. That's just normal for basically any export radio. Mic gain here, RF gain here, volume, squelch, and that's pretty much all there is to it. As far as the back of it, let's see if we can work it around here. You guys can see. It does have the quick disconnect. It comes with a fused power cord, and it does have the jumper coming out the back that you screw your coax into, like many of the turbo radios, like a Longhorn and radios like that. They all have that same kind of setup at the back. Okay, so main thing now, we just want to check the output of it, and we'll dismount the camera here and back off. And again, this is a radio that's actually going out to a customer, so he gets a little complimentary video. It's because I've never done a video on one of these before. So let's turn our Cobra 90 off. And what we'll do first, we'll just turn the RF power wide open. We want to see the maximum amount of current that this thing's going to draw the way we've got it set up. We are testing at 14.7 volts for those wondering. Hello, So in the high 20s, maybe 30, that was why I was throwing my voice to see if it would draw more or less current. But around 30 amps, give or take. And that's with RF power wide open. Now, the way this one's set up, 1,000 watt slug, bottom scale. Getting about 50 to 60 watts there. And honestly, you probably wouldn't want to key it much higher than that. I'll show you the PEP output of it. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 3, audio, 1, 2, 3, audio, 350, 375, give or take. And then if we want to turn this RF power all the way down, Hello, audio, 1, 2, 3, audio, 1, 2, 3, audio, 1, 2, 3, audio. About the same. Average power all the way down, and your dead key. Basically nothing. Hello, audio. About 80 watts. Now, if we want to turn the RF power, like, let's say halfway up. Let's go exactly halfway, so we're not fibbing there. Hello, audio. You see it hit about 100 average. 3 o'clock. That's about a 40 or 50 watt dead key. Hello, audio. Got a ladybug crawling up the side of my meter over here. Get out of here, guy. I didn't kill him, so it's not bad luck. I just knocked him down. There he is again. Hello, audio. And wide open, it goes from about 60 watts average to about 125, 130 average. So, doing a good job. Again, you can see on the clamp meter. Hello. We get lots of forward current draw, which is always good. 19 amps on the carrier. Drawing 30 amps on the audio. I mean, we can see if it changes at any by bumping the voltage up a little bit. It's probably not going to. But some people like to run 15 volts, so. Hello, you didn't really change the current draw any. Average power. Hello, yeah, about the same. PEP. It brought the PEP up a little bit, so a little bit more on PEP, but not really more on average. So there's my little ladybug friend again. But anyway, I'm not going to reshoot the video because of a ladybug. Hey, not to get too sidetracked here, but let me tell you guys, I've seen some people shoot some videos on YouTube, and I remember a while back there was a guy, he was a radio guy, and his cat drug up this gigantic rat right in the middle of the video, and he didn't delete it. He left it on there, so I'll let you guys figure out who that was. I ain't gonna say any names, but that was several years ago. But anyway, that's it, everybody. That's the review on the 46 Turbo N1. If you're really wondering what kind of amp you'd run this into, I tell you what, to me, it would be perfect for an 8-pill 2879C. Or maybe a 12-pill standard HG 2879. One of those two is going to be what you kind of want to run this guy into. It's really about perfect for either one. That 100 to 120 watts average, 350, 375 PEP, that's kind of right where you want to be with one of those amps. I always just kind of put that out there in case somebody wants to actually use this with an amplifier. But that's it, everybody. Hope you enjoy the video. Lots more videos to come. Appreciate it. Rooster in Tennessee. I do have one more of these available at the time of this video. Connex 46 Turbo CX46 Turbo N1. There we go. All right, guys. Thanks. Rooster in Tennessee. See you. Bye.